For this exercise, we'll be working with the Welsh pubs collection from the previous section. In the connection tree, right-click the Welsh pubs collection, then select Open SQL from the menu. This launches the SQL Query tool. The SQL Query tool is divided into two sections. You can run SQL commands in the top. You should see a select statement. This retrieves all data from the current collection. The bottom section should look familiar with the addition of the SQL Query tab. This tab displays the SQL query associated with the current results. Click the Run button on the toolbar above the command prompt. The results will appear in the Result tab in the lower section. The collection should include 3,122 documents. You can also run a specific selection in the command prompt. Take this SQL statement, which groups the document data by the local authorities, and then calculates the total number of pubs in each authority, and then sorts the result by the number of pubs with the local authority that has the highest number first. If we select this statement, the Run button will change, allowing us to execute only the selected statement. Your query result should return a list of local authorities with a count of pubs in descending order. Leave this tab open with the results in place for the next exercise.